What's up, guys? This is video number 2 of opening up 2 more boxes of that Spider-Man booth. The first 2 boxes I opened, you saw the video, boxes were kind of underwhelming. The second box was decent. It had a nice Power Rangers variant in it. But see what these next 2 bring. Maybe they'll be better than the first. Box again. Alright, I'm going to look with you so make sure I don't see. Alright, the other one kind of stuck in there, so I kind of saw it. Alright, first one. Witchblade. I used to love this series when I was a kid. The Arden is amazing. Volume 2. I don't know if this is issue. No, this is collector's edition. Okay. The art in Witchblade is amazing. I've always liked it. Alright. Next one. Poison Ivy. Harley Quinn and Poison Ivy number 2. I'm assuming this is a variant. It's a cool little Batman skull at the bottom there. Number 3. Sinestro number 12. I know this series didn't last very long. Alright. Number 4, Batman Who Laughs, number 2. Oh, that is a badass variant cover. I don't know if this is a variant cover or not, but this cover is sick. It says it's worth $20. This cover is ridiculous. Alright, last one. It looks like Rogue. Yeah, it's got the X-Men symbol on there, so it's obviously a Virgin variant from X-Men. Number 10. It's from X-Men number 10 from Unknown Comics, and it says it's worth $25. I don't know, but again, this box was. I mean, the Joker cover was cool with Batman Who Laughs, but still kind of underwhelming. Let's hope the second box is good. What is that? Alright, let's see if I can get them all out this time. Alright. Alright, first one. Batman Beyond, number 16. This series is getting kind of hot. Everything Batman is getting kind of hot right now. Next, X-Men, number 8, variant edition. Oh, this is from Emerald City Comic Con from this year. Well, it would have been from Emerald City Comic Con this year. Anyway, it's pretty cool. Next, what is it? I-602 Witch Hunter Angela. I know this is probably the Angela from Marvel buying Angela from Marvel or from Image, but I've never heard of this series. Okay, next one. Obviously another X-Men variant. I think I've seen this before. Somebody else opening up a mystery box on YouTube. Extermination. Number 2. I guess that's the name of the series. It's the variant. Okay. Last one. It's got Emma Frost on it, so again, I assume it's X-Men. Oh. Giant size X-Men number 1. Jean Grey, Emma Frost variant from Unknown Comics. It's a C2E2 exclusive. Well, that's the other two. The other two boxes. Not too happy with these two boxes. Kind of underwhelming. This variant cover was kind of good. We're supposed to be Emerald City Comic Con, but otherwise, unless I see something in the prices that I won't know right now, kind of underwhelmed with these 4 boxes I got. But they have been good in the past, so I'm not going to knock them completely. So, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and watch for more videos. Give them a chance. That Spider-Man booth is not bad. They give you some good comics, but sometimes you're going to run into these. Alright? Take it easy, guys.